In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord Soundboard. Whether you're looking to liven up your voice chats or simply want to explore some sound features, using a soundboard on Discord is a fun and easy process. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to open up our internet browser and navigate to the Discord website. If you're already familiar with Discord, you can also open the app version on your desktop. Once there, look for the login button located on the landing page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're not logged in already, simply follow this step, and you should land on the home screen once you're logged in. Now that we're inside Discord, find your way to the home page if you aren't automatically redirected there. This is essentially your dashboard, and from here, you can navigate to any of your servers or settings that you've set up previously. For the next step, we'll be heading to the settings section. Take a moment to find the user settings icon. This is usually a small cogwheel located towards the bottom left corner of your screen. In the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to customize your Discord experience. The option we are looking for to set up our soundboard is under the Voice and Video category. Click on Voice and Video, and it'll take you to a page where you can adjust all sorts of audio-related settings, from changing your output device to adjusting input sensitivity. Next, scroll through the options until you find the soundboard option. Clicking on Soundboard will bring up the soundboard interface where you can customize and manage your sound clips. Here's where the creativity starts to flow. You can upload sounds, organize them, and even set hotkeys for quick access. It's a handy tool for those wanting to add a personal touch to their Discord interactions. After you've taken a look at the soundboard options, it's time to select a server where you'd like to use these sounds. On the soundboard menu, choose a server from the list of servers you're a part of. Remember, each server might have its own rules, so make sure your soundboard use aligns with any guidelines set by the server admins. Finally, the exciting part, choosing and testing a sound. Scroll through your options or upload a new sound that you would like to use. Once selected, you might want to preview the sound to ensure it's exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started using a soundboard on Discord. Playing around with these settings can really elevate your voice chats, making them more engaging and entertaining. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy chatting!